Supposed to be late for that church bus. Who are you?
Stop.
Oh, you new neighbor, huh? You want to give me a ride to church? I done missed church like 2 days in a row. I'm sitting over here waiting for that bus. Church, that is so nice. Ooh, girl, I done forgot my cameras. I gotta go get the cameras. I'm gonna be right back to get a ride. Hold on. I'll be... Got my suit. Girl, I'm gonna hurt. Girl, you got a gentleman right there. I need a ride. It's okay, girl. All right. Okay. I'm good.
Oh my God, honey, are you okay?
Hell no. I done missed the church bus again. And I done wasted my ramen noodle soup. This is my pants package. Ooh, I'm sorry, Jesus.
Come on, honey, get out.
Hello, my phone ringing. Hello.
Hello, girl, what happened to you? I saw you fall.
I fell. Trying to get the damn church bus.
Girl, is you all right?
Hell no. I'm over here on the ground. Done wasted my ramen noodle soup and that church bus. One more time. This is my second time being late for church. I ain't gonna get that front row seat, let me tell you. The pastor's gonna be mad at me.
Girl, you want me to give you a ride?
Hell yeah.
All right, where you gonna be at?
On the ground.
All right, I'm on my way.
All right, and if you can you pick me, can you stop by the convenience store and pick me up some ramen noodle soup packets?
What
Packets
kind?
of 24.
What kind?
The chicken flavor.
All right.
All right, but before you get me, put it in the microwave so I can eat it on the way to church.
All right,
I get
girl,
hungry and start
girl,
selling them corn dogs.
I'm on my way.
Okay, make it quick, girl, make it quick.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Girl, where you at? Girl, get
My baby over here lopsided. You trying to call me a big ass? I'm pregnant.
Get up.
Get your ass.
Get
away from me. I'm trying to get up. If you get up. If you don't get up, baby. If you Pastor already mad at you. Look at it. I'm gonna hit you with my baby. Don't touch my wireless system. Don't you touch my wireless system. Don't you touch my wireless system. God, we always late.
We got me last.
They got a pass.
Keep going.
They got a pass. Get over here, Sister Jamie.
Come on, Sister Jamie.
One thing, I ain't going to church next Sunday.
I know that's right.
I got stuff to do. I pray at home.
How you gonna have something to do? You don't got no car, huh?
I get a ride from my neck. Look, you already making some of my titties fall out. Look.
Get some cereal, Mary Jane.
Oh my, look at a yellow cup.
Girl, you better pick that up.
I am. It's free, girl.
I know, girl. You better put that on. You
free.
need help, girl. Put it on. There you go.
Get it on me, girl.
There you go.
Get it on me.
Come on, girl. Let's share some fruit together. Come on, sit down.
Eat
Come
some
on.
fruit.
Sit
Come
down.
on. Come on.
Roll your big butt back over here.
Let's
Come on,
share
get
some
some
fruit,
cereal.
girl. Let's share some fruit. Woo! Mary G, you better get this cereal, girl. This is good as hell.
Give me some.
Oh, girl, let's get another spoonful. I'm getting another spoonful.
Let me go.
If you don't get up my fruit rounds.
Girl, be quiet.
I'm right here, look at the mess. What the hell wrong with
I know. You supposed to be cleaning the church bus.
Give me some cereal. Give me cereal. Hey, if you don't give me this damn cereal, the cereal's free. Why are you playing around? It's like you was Mr. Church Mother. Get up. Lady. We gonna get your scooter. We gonna get your scooter. Hey, we trying to go to church. That's okay, we gonna get you next time. We gonna get you next time. Come on, let's go inside and make paper airplanes out of the free newspaper.
All right.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that made